There's a tool called Claude Code, and the name does it dirty. It sounds like something a hacker in a hoodie uses in a dark room. Green text, angry keyboard, algebra everywhere. Here is the truth. You will not touch a single line of code in this video, or ever, if you don't want to. Because the whole trick to Claude Code is one thing. You type a sentence, like a text message, and it goes and does the thing. Here's where we're headed. What Claude Code actually is. The 3 ways in, including the easy one nobody mentions. What it looks like to use it. And 3 real things you could have it do this week. Let's go. So what is it really? You already know regular Claude. You chat, it talks back. Claude Code is that same Claude, except it has hands. Regular Claude can tell you how to do something. Claude Code can go and do it on your actual computer. It opens files, changes them, builds things, runs the boring steps, and shows you what it did. Picture texting a very capable assistant who happens to be sitting at your desk. You send a message. They do the work. They show you the result. And I mean that literally. Using Claude Code feels like texting. You make me a simple web page that counts down to my birthday. It thinks for a second, builds it, and hands it back. No commands to memorize. No secret language. You describe what you want the way you describe it to a friend, and it figures out the rest. Now the part that scares people. Don't I need that black hacker screen? You have 3 doors into Claude Code. Door 1 is the terminal, the black screen. That's the one in every screenshot, and it's why people run away. Door 2 is the desktop app. It looks like a normal app. Windows, buttons, no scary screen. Door 3, the easiest one, is your web browser. You go to claude.ai/code, sign in, and you're in. Nothing to install. So if the terminal isn't your thing, walk through a friendlier door. Same Claude, nicer room. Here's what actually happens when you ask for something. You type your request in plain English. Claude Code makes a little plan first, so you can see what it's about to do. Then it does it, step by step, right in front of you. When it changes something, it shows you the before and the after, like track changes in a document. And you are always in the driver's seat. It asks before doing anything big. You say yes, or you say, actually, do it this way. Okay, but what would a normal person actually use this for? 3 ideas. 1. Tidy up a mess. Point it at a folder of 200 badly named files and say, rename these so I can find them. Done. 2. Build a small thing. A birthday countdown, a simple budget tracker, a little website for your side project. You describe it, it builds it. 3. Kill a boring chore. That repetitive task you do every week. Describe it once, and let Claude Code run the steps. None of that needs you to know what a function is. If you remember one thing, remember this. Talk to it like a person. The people who get the most out of Claude Code are the ones who explain what they want clearly, like they're briefing a helpful coworker. Say what you want. Say why. Answer its questions when it asks. That is the whole skill. I can hear the worry. What if I break something? You won't. Claude Code shows you its plan before it acts, asks permission for anything real, and works in a way you can undo. You are allowed to experiment. Poke it. Ask it silly questions. That is how everyone learns it, me included. One happy surprise. If you already pay for Claude Pro, that $20 plan from the last video, Claude Code is already in there. Nothing extra to buy. You have been sitting on it this whole time. So here's your first move, today. Step 1. Open your browser and go to claude.ai/code. Step 2. Sign in with the same account you already use for Claude. Step 3. Type 1 sentence. Ask it to build you something tiny and silly. A countdown to your next holiday. Then watch what happens. That's Claude Code. A helper with hands that you talk to like a person. The scary name was hiding something friendly the whole time. Next video is the fun one. I hand Claude Code my actual work and let it run a real task start to finish, with 0 code from me. If you want to see how far this goes, subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what tiny thing would you ask it to build first? I read every single one.